Hello guys, today we are looking at Google Chat, which is a program or service provided by Google. So just search up Google Chat to go in, and then it's gonna ask you for a email. And it asks for a Google account. So let me just use mine real quick. And then put in your password. One second. And after that, you should log in. If it asks you a verification code, just put that in. For me, it's asking to open up my phone, so I just got it. I confirmed. Alright, and then it should be opening up. So this is Google Chat, and it says welcome. So let's go and get started. Here you can see your chats and your conversations, like your DMs basically, like you're on Instagram. Then do more as a group. Oh, this is like for group chats, I think, or like group or teams. And then if you want to do like Facecam or some like Zoom, or where you can like talk face to face, but virtually, you can put that here, which is Google Meets. Alright, so to start a chat, just click on the plus button, and then just basically search up a name that will be in your emails. So don't create space. So you would create a space, it's called business. Then you just add emails. And then add whoever you want. Then that goes spaces. But that's for group stuff, so you can add more people to spaces. If you want to add just one person, you have to have the person's email. So you would have to have them added on Google, I assume. So we create a space, we can chat. We can say hi, how everyone. Then you can just talk through there. You could send emojis. Seem like Android emojis. You can put files to upload like videos or pictures, GIFs. Then what is this? Oh, you can like underline or bold, and then you could open up a video call, which is probably just brings you to this. You can just open up your stuff here. The neat thing is you can see all the files that say you guys share a lot of files, or there's like one or two important files. You could look at all the files on here in that space. And then tasks, you could also assign tasks. So let's say you have a small company and you have workers or like a manager. That manager's task would be to make sure everyone is at work and on time, and then that person can click completed, or you can, and you could also add like a time and date when that should be done or what day. It's really nice for organization. Calendar, keep, and then contacts. So I think to send DMs through chat, you would have to add people through here most likely. So just create contact. Well, you can just fill these out, then add people through Google Contacts, which is another service they have, but it's all connected. And you could change your activities. I think that is it, and thank you for watching.